welcome back. I'm not gonna apologize, but I would like to say this. Happy Tuesday, it's your girl Falalala. And I'm glad that I got my computer. Finally got it. So now it's time to pause. It's time to pause. So today's fashion is very simple, guys. Very simple. I have this nice African print fabric head tie. Oh, and I got my hair braided by my beautiful sister Matta Kitchen. She have a YouTube. I'm gonna actually put her link below if you guys want to check her out. She is a wonderful cook. She can cook more than me. Like seriously, she can cook more than me. So if you guys are interested in learning African food or in learning how to make African food, because she's all about the food, the culture, the healthy eating, so please check her out. She's good. So she did my hair. I actually do know how to braid too, so we actually do each other hairs, and we did my mom hair. So enough with that. So today's fashion is very simple. This is from Africa, the place I'm from. I usually talk about where I'm from, guys. I do. Guinea, and this is actually from Guinea too. So this is called broderie, I can't name my mouth. And today outfit is very simple. It's nice, it's delicate, it's classy, and literally it's something that you could wear for multiple occasions. Example, going out for shopping, hanging out with friends, going to the mall, movie night, a date night. If you have a special date night, you could actually wear this, and it depends how you get to manipulate it on your date night. Okay, so this outfit in Africa, it was about like 45,000 currency, or actually more than currency. I'm not sure. I got it not last year in 2019 when I went back though. I got it in 2017 when I went back to Guinea. So I technically, oh, look at my earring. This is a necklace, sorry. This is actually from Guinea too. It's African ear necklace. I have this for about a couple of years. Why am I talking about that? Okay. I'm just so excited to be back. That's what it is. I'm having like the excitement that I find. So today outfit is very simple, it's very nice. I will show you guys how I actually manipulate one outfit into multiple dress, into multiple look, into multiple like classical look. So yes, is this nice gray khaki, not khaki, but it is definitely khaki. And like I always say, it's good to actually add some accessory to your look, and this and those look could actually look for many stuff, many look. So I have a black jeans with it, and how to complete this look, actually I will 99.99% say it's complete to go out with the way I'm dressing and what I wear. Let me show you guys. So it's 99.99% complete and ready to go. But if I want to add, or if you want to add more stuff to it, guys, it's 100% okay. It's 100% to actually like add a little coat to it, but it depends on the occasion. Okay, it depends where you are going. If let's say if I have a special day and I decide to wear this, and I could wear this with like a short skirt, tuck it in, you guys know that, right? To show all your curves and your shape, tuck it in, really nice. Actually I could demonstrate. Tuck it in like I am tucking it in. Yes, see that? Guys, if you tuck in your shirt, girls, guys too, like you get to see how they actually really look. See, tuck it in with my nice mini skirt, and then add on some vegs to it. See that? Doesn't this make a huge difference from what I showed you guys earlier? It really do. Now if you see me, you could be like, damn, she got that yes, or you could be like, damn, she got them babies. But it's up to you. I leave that to you. Judge however you want to judge. I'm just gonna leave this like this now. Oh, just to make it. Oh, guys, see, one simple look could make everything look different. A big huge difference on however you want to do this. So about my date, and then add a little vest to it with my mini high heels, and I'm ready to go. So this is like a very simple outfit. Like I always tell you guys, please I beg, don't forget to iron your clothes, steam your clothes, whatever you want to do with it when you're going out. Just make it look nice, no matter how cheap, how expensive, how ugly it is. Actually, if it is ugly and you wear it, that make it uglier. I'm just joking. I'm so excited. So yeah, this is complete right now. This is how I'm gonna go with it. Out adding on this and my necklace and my ring, and I get my nails done. This is definitely 100% complete look. And a shoes option of shoes, I don't recommend wearing sandals or flip-flop. Either little tiny mini heels, or not boot though, but closed toe shoes. With stuff like this, it's actually nice to just wear closed toe shoes, not flip-flop. Sometimes people get to dress really nice. You see them from up to down, yeah, but there's this minus little thing that they actually get to do, and then they roll in the whole thing. Please, not slippers, not flip-flop, not sandals, closed toe shoes or little heels. See that type of fashion? So that's what I have for you guys today, this mini little tip of fashion. Okay, so this look is complete. Comment below how I look today. That's all I want to know. I want to know what do you guys think of my look today. If it is all right, if it is great, or if it is fabulous. I was going to say wonderful, but nah. Those three options. Comment one below if I look all right, if I look great, or I look fabulous. So today we went back home to the motherland with all the African stuff that I have with me. It feels good going back home. It really do feels good. So I hope you guys like this mini outfit, and I'll show you. It's like the most easiest look ever for anybody, women of color, women with fashion. Have no gender. There's no gender when it comes to fashion. Anybody and anyone can be fashionable if you choose to, unless if you're lazy just like me or just like my nyas, then you are not fashionable. But fashion have no gender, no classification. Fashion goes for everybody. So that's all I would like to say, guys, ladies, gentlemen, kids. Be fashionable going out there. Look the best you can look. Okay, see you guys on Thursday. I have a very nice